You 10 minutes. Anyway, makes life easier, yep. I sure missed old Smokey Joe. Oh, is he gonna go play? No. No play right now. Alright, y'all have a good day. Oh. No, he's gonna play. I know, he always says make them short and sweet. This is one of the reasons why we brought her in. So we can get these stumps out of the way. Because the other little tractor just wasn't going to do it. No. And there we go. See how easy that was? Y'all have a good day.